finally got back to my perf. I got my parcel from Medina, so let's open it, shall we? Okay, all right. Let's see what we've got here. Okay, right. Okay, so we've got some little business cards. So we got, like, you know, basically I'll have a look at that shortly. We got actually I really like how Adina has actually really done these cards. Or thank you, Adina, for sort of sending them my way. I'm actually going to put them on a little vision board and stuff like that when I get a chance to sort of doing them. So basically it says, today I did business my own way. Today I enjoyed a sensory break or a joyful glimmer. Today I'm connected with another human in a way that suited our brains. That's great. Today I wasted just because I wanted to. Well, that's a no-brainer there. Today I said no to something because it would drain my capacity. Today I trade off as my true self. Today I spent time working on something completely joyful. Today I set a boundary, which is, I think, essential in my sort of day and age. Today I honored my energy limits, and that's so important to me. And today I went on an unexpected side quest. That actually reminds me of something, but I usually go on side quests all the time. But these things, I'll put it on a vision board, so I might sort of get around to doing that probably in the next couple of days. Congratulations, Michael, for 2025 champion of keeping spoons in cheek and connecting people and ideas. So I'm going to hang that on the wall. Next thing I've got, what have we got here? We've got, hang on a second, we've got a little bag of goodies. We've got I can and I will. I've got a habit tracker, so that's going to be really good. Got a pen. Basically, your brain is beautiful, so I've got that. I've got 2 of her shirts as well, as you could probably sort of see. There is another thing. There's a Wild Workers sticker sheet. So that's actually good. We'll have a look and just see how that works. What else have I got? So what do we got? Right. The piece de resistance. I bet you this is a mug. And if it's a mug, I'm going to be sending you one of the deep dive mugs in exchange. Yep, definitely a coffee mug. Definitely. So yeah, so your brain is beautiful. So I'm going to keep that in the coffee mug. And in return, I'm going to send you one of these deep dive mugs. So yeah, so it's just, I think this is going to be appropriate for sending one to you in return. So keep your eyes peeled out in the next couple of weeks for the deep dive mug, and you'll be seeing that probably in our body doubling sessions. So thank you for that, Adina, and I shall enjoy this coffee cup, which I'll definitely be enjoying my coffees out of each morning. So thank you, Adina. Thank you for the lovely Christmas gift this year. Deep dive mug coming to you.